Okay, quick video of a 2-bedroom in Brighton, right off Commonwealth Avenue. Spacious bedrooms, a couple of windows, closet right there. Good sized closet. A couple of windows. This is the first bedroom. And then we have the second bedroom. Please excuse the lights. No lights here. Good size though. Definitely can notice that, even with the lights low. Closet space, windows up top. All right. And then we have the bathroom over here. Kind of a retro finishes, but solid, good plumbing, sink, vanity, toilet, standing shower tub combo. We have a linen closet right off to the side of the bathroom entrance. And go down the steps to the living room, massive living room. And we have a really good sized balcony overlooking a little bit of Brighton right there. Beautiful day out. And then let's head into the kitchen. There's dishwasher, lots of counter space, electric stovetop, sink, good sized fridge, cabinets up top, more cabinets. Again, dishwasher right there, built-in oven. All right. And built-in air conditioning right there. And then down one floor to the, hang on a second. Oh. Okay. This is the first level. Now I believe we have a closet. Yep. Really good storage space right here. Lots of space, tons of space. 2-bed. And if you'd like more info, reach out to Angel at lmcrealtyboston.com. There's a laundry in the basement as well.